Stop wasting money on overpriced drones. If you want pro-level 4K and 8K footage on a budget, you need to see these top 5 Aliexpress drones of 2026. We did the research, compared the reviews and tested everything from GPS stability to obstacle avoidance so you don't have to get burned by a bad buy. We've dropped the exact product links to the absolute best deals down in the description below, so you can check live prices right now. Stick around to find your perfect match. Number 5. Lenovo XT606 GPS Drone. This Lenovo XT606 GPS drone is a feature-packed option for beginners and casual aerial photography enthusiasts looking for premium features at an affordable price. It offers a 4K camera with support for up to 8K video recording, combined with a gimbal, optical image stabilization and electronic stabilization to help capture smoother and clearer footage. The built-in GPS provides more accurate positioning and reliable return-to-home functions, while the 360 degrees visual obstacle avoidance system adds extra confidence during flight. Powered by brushless motors, the drone delivers quieter performance, better efficiency and longer durability than standard brushed motors with a 25-minute flight time, 3,000-meter control range and support for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz connectivity. It offers a solid flying experience for recreational use. The advertised 8K resolution may rely on software enhancement rather than a true 8K sensor. The XT606 still provides impressive value, making it a great choice for beginners and hobbyists who want an easy-to-fly GPS camera drone. Number 4. L200 Plus GPS Drone. L200 Plus GPS Drone is a powerful and beginner-friendly quadcopter that combines smart flight features with impressive camera performance. Equipped with a 4K HD dual-lens camera and a 3-axis gimbal, it captures smooth, stable videos and sharp aerial photos with reduced shake. The built-in GPS provides more accurate positioning and safer flights, while the 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance system helps detect obstacles for added confidence during flight. Its brushless motors deliver efficient, quiet performance and the included propeller guards offer extra protection with a flight time of up to 23 minutes, 3 km control range and support for wind resistance up to 30 km per hour. It's well suited for outdoor adventures. Weighing just 249 grams, it's easy to carry and convenient for travel. Overall, it offers an excellent balance of performance, safety and portability. If you're looking for a reliable GPS drone with a stabilized 4K camera and advanced safety features, the L200 Plus GPS drone is an excellent value for beginners and content creators alike. Number 3. E88 Pro 8K Drone. This E88 Pro drone is a budget-friendly quadcopter that offers a good mix of fun features for beginners and casual flyers. Its dual camera system is marketed with up to 8K labeling, but the listed specifications indicate 1080 pixel video recording, so it's best to expect full HD video quality in real-world use. The brush motor provides smooth performance for learning the basics of flying, while the built-in GPS helps improve flight stability and positioning with a 23-minute flight time, Wi-Fi FPV connectivity and an easy-to-use remote controller with a built-in display. It's convenient for capturing photos and videos during outdoor adventures. The included propeller guards add extra protection, making it more beginner-friendly. Although the 150-meter control range is shorter than premium drones, it is suitable for recreational flying. Overall, the E88 Pro is a solid entry-level drone that delivers enjoyable flying and good value for its price. Number 2. Lenovo V198 MAX GPS Drone. Lenovo V198 MAX GPS Drone is a feature-rich quadcopter that offers an excellent balance of performance, portability, and value. It supports 4K, 6K, and up to 8K video recording, making it a great choice for capturing detailed aerial photos and videos. The brushless motors provide smoother flights, better efficiency, and improved durability, while the GPS positioning system helps maintain stable flight and accurate navigation. Its laser obstacle avoidance and multi-directional sensing add extra confidence when flying in different environments with a 25-minute flight time, a 3,000-meter control range, and a 3,000 mAh removable battery. It offers plenty of time to explore and record. The large-screen remote controller makes it easier to monitor your flight without relying entirely on a smartphone. Overall, the Lenovo V198 MAX is an excellent option for beginners and hobbyists who want advanced features, stable performance, and impressive aerial footage at a competitive price. Number 1. Lenovo GT8 8K Drone. Lenovo GT8 Drone is a compact and feature-packed quadcopter designed for beginners and hobbyists who want impressive aerial footage without spending a fortune. Equipped with brushless motors, it delivers smoother flights, better efficiency, and longer motor life than brushed alternatives. The dual-camera system supports up to 8K video, while optical, electronic, and gimbal stabilization help produce clearer, steadier footage. Its optical flow hovering makes low-altitude flying more stable, and the foldable design makes it easy to carry on trips. With a 15 to 20-minute flight time, up to 3,000 m of remote range, and a 120 degrees wide-angle lens, it offers plenty of flexibility for capturing landscapes and travel moments. Keep in mind that the listed specifications mention no GPS, so advanced GPS flight features may not be available. Overall, the Lenovo GT8 is a solid value for casual pilots looking for portability, smooth performance, and high-resolution aerial photography.